Well, this black, rather clumsy-looking and old-fashioned computer might not look like much, and you would be excused for simply walking past it and not realizing its importance. But it was on this very machine that the World Wide Web was first created 25 years ago. Not to be confused with the internet, which had already been created, the World Wide Web allowed people to share information using different computers. It was created by this man at CERN, the European Organisation for Nuclear Research in Switzerland.
It was in 1989, and the internet already existed in that you could send email, but there was no websites, so there was no HTTP, there was no HTML, there was no space of things you could click through. And it began because I was frustrated it didn't exist.
In the early days, websites were quite different to how we know them today.
They're pretty basic. I mean, today's pages where you have moving video, images, it was none of that. We're talking about text and a few blue links.
But with the evolution of the web page has come some criticism about the relationship between its principle of openness and privacy online. Twitter and Facebook have been used to coordinate political and social campaigns, but there are also concerns that there is simply too much information out there.
Now we need to start to think about, well, what are the rights of people in relation to corporations and the state? So there's a big question for us at the moment, and that's something that we all need to contribute to.
Designed by a Brit, created in Switzerland, but the web is now a global project. Although according to the latest statistics, 2 out of every 5 people in the world are currently not connected. So what's in store for the next 25 years of the web is really anybody's guess. Natalie Powell at the Science Museum in London.
Know more about your world. eNCA.com